Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming minimal prerequisites. Your iPhone should be updated and signed into an Apple ID. Once done, open the App Store and search for Gboard, Google's keyboard. Tap Get and authenticate the download with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. You're starting the installation now because the app must be present before system configuration. Make sure the download completes fully. Partial installs can fail when you try to enable. Next, you'll add and permit Gboard so it functions correctly. Go to Settings, General Keyboard, then Keyboards and choose Add New Keyboard. Pick Gboard from the list. Once added, tap Gboard in the Keyboards list and toggle Allow Full Access. This enables features like glide typing, search, and GIF. You'll be prompted to confirm, accept to proceed. After enabling full access, return to any app and bring up the keyboard to verify Gboard appears as an option. Finish by selecting Gboard as your active keyboard. Open an app with text, long press the globe icon, and choose Gboard. If it doesn't show, restart your iPhone and check Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update. Outdated iOS can block third-party keyboards. Reinstall Gboard if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if features like search or GIF fail, confirm Allow Full Access is on and that the app isn't restricted by screen time or VPN profiles. Those can interfere with network-dependent features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.